Hello guys, let's test the voltage of this motor and then this one too. Okay, let's go. So hard. One, two. It's done. Let's go. Okay, this is my warning. Don't try this at home or else you get electrocuted. Only expert can handle this. But I can handle this. So, it's my testing. That I'm a little bit scared, guys. But I can do it. Three, two, one, go. Look, it worked. It worked. It worked. Yo, it worked. Okay, test this another one. 3, 2, wait, oh, wait. Not yet. Not done yet. Oh, it's not fitted right. You can heard it by sound, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm a little bit scared. Yo, it worked. Okay, goodbye guys.